Heading into unit 809. This is 1237 Washington, otherwise known as the Plaza. So what's great about this '09 series is that there's a short hallway, not a lot of wasted space, and bam, you get this awesome view. Kitchen to the left. Everything is brand new. New cabinets, new counters, we got quartz, new appliances, new HVAC, including heating and air conditioning. Everything is new. New flooring. But you can see the lake out there. You can actually see the ore ship being filled. And we've got a new covering on the deck here. And this is another feature of this unit. The '09, it's got a square balcony, which is like you can put a table. It's so much more useful than any other balcony in the building. Again, just checking out this view. Composite decking. To give you a good view of the whole space here. So perfect for dining, living. Again, no matter where you are, pretty much have a view in this area here. So 2 bedrooms. So when you come in, there's a bedroom on either side. We'll go into the guest bedroom first. It's got a nice closet. And then the beauty of this, again, there's a lot of things about this '09 series that's great, is that the guest bedroom actually can be an ensuite also. So you've got your, again, all new bathroom here with tile, sink and vanity. So, and this goes out to the hallway. So it's your guest bath. If somebody's staying here with you, they can use it as an ensuite, which is great for flexibility. So this would be the owner's suite. And we've got another great thing about this unit is that it's got this really nice walk-in closet. So lots of space in here. And we have the ensuite bath. And this has got a, again, new tile, all new shower. It's beautiful. New vanity. Good idea of the space here. So plenty of room. Again, that closet really makes a difference. Washer dryer. This is your heating system in here. And your hot water tank. But yeah, that is brand new right there. And we've got a coat closet. This does come with there is gas here for a possible fireplace if you wanted. And there will also be gas back there if you wanted to have gas in your range. But this is all I got. We are well located. Downtown's right across the river. We've got a bunch of music venues down here. Shooters just reopened. Harbor Inn's right there. That's a great old bar. Just so many things. The towpath trail cuts through over here. That could take you over to Whiskey Island, Edgewater Park, and then back up to Tremont. So also by car, University Circle's right around the corner. Again, downtown's right here and the airport is not far away. So excellent location.